Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before we learn, I have to introduce myself to you. My name is Alanwari and I am student of University of Nahdlatul Watan Mataram. Okay, I'm here to learn you the Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia. The material of our meeting is Santi's house, or in Indonesia we said rumah Santi. Okay, the first, before we learn to make a sentence in Indonesian language, we must know the vocabulary in Indonesian language. So in this meeting, because we material is Rumah Santi or Santi's house, so we learn the vocabulary has in the Santi's house. The first is room. In Indonesia we said room is kamar. So if in English we say room, in Indonesia the people say kamar. The second is bathroom. In Indonesia we said kamar mandi, kamar mandi. If you guys in English say bathroom, in Indonesia people say kamar mandi. The third vocabulary is door. Door. If you guys say door, in Indonesia the people said, we said pintu. Okay, door, the meaning is pintu. Okay, the fourth, window. If you guys in English saying window is the window, in Indonesia we said jendela. Okay, jendela. In English window, in Indonesia jendela. Okay friends, that is the vocabularies. Okay guys, after we learn the vocabulary in Indonesia, the next we will make sentence from that vocabulary we have learned. The first is, in Indonesia we said Santi sedang memasak di dalam dapur. Okay, Santi sedang memasak di dalam dapur. We said in English Santi is cooking in the kitchen. Okay, Santi in Indonesia actually we said Santi is cooking. In Indonesia we said sedang memasak. Next, in the kitchen. In Indonesia we said di dalam dapur. Okay, so the sentence Santi is cooking in her kitchen. In Indonesia we said Santi sedang memasak di dalam dapur. Okay, the next is door. We make sentence from vocabulary door. Open the door. Open the door. In Indonesia we say buka pintunya. Buka pintunya. So open in Indonesia we say buka. The door in Indonesia we say pintunya. So if you guys say it to people in Indonesia, open the door, you guys said what? Yes, buka pintunya. Okay, the third is window. window in Indonesia we say jendela. If you guys in English say the window is window, in Indonesia the people say jendela. Okay, let's make sentence from the vocabulary window. In Indonesia we say tutup jendelanya, tutup jendelanya. In English we say tutup. In English close, close. So tutup jendelanya in English we say close the window. Close the meaning is tutup. The window in Indonesia we say jendelanya. So if you guys said close the window in Indonesia we say tutup jendelanya. Okay? You understand? Okay, good job. Okay guys, since our time is up, I'll have to close our meeting. I'm sorry for any mistake. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.